Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Create a free Notion account and set up one workspace for all school subjects so everything lives in one place and syncs automatically. Install the desktop and mobile apps to keep notes available offline and synced across devices. Enable notifications for reminders. Start each subject with a top-level page, add a brief description, and use built-in templates like class notes, to-do, and calendar templates to speed setup and maintain consistent structure across classes. Use a database per class and add properties such as date, type, grade, due date, tags, and priority so each item is searchable and sortable. Create 3 main views: a table for structured data entry, a calendar to visualize due dates, and a list or gallery for quick review of notes or resources. Link homework entries to lesson pages using relations and roll-ups to track completion and aggregate grades across assignments automatically for easy reporting. Adopt a study workflow. Take Cornell-style notes, label questions and key ideas, then write a 1-paragraph summary after each lecture to reinforce retention. Convert key facts into flashcards within Notion or linked apps and schedule spaced repetition reviews at 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days to boost recall. Spend roughly 25% of study time on active recall. Share pages with teachers or classmates for feedback, and export important pages as PDFs for printing or submission when required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.